the driver's side tire. Tore the lower control arm. Snapped the spindle. Snapped the strut. Snapped my axle. Huh? Fuck, I just went like 70. Got popped on a single block. That one guy, he's spun around, man. I don't think we were running together. He told me, he goes, come down to Bradford. He goes, I've got everything you need fixed. He goes, I'll give it to you. He goes, I feel bad. I'm like, huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. You got every right to be.
Bye. Bye, your friend Michael. Bye, friend.
Yeah, back, man.
Yeah, that one in there. That's the one on fire. That engine, that truck in there, that car, that's the one on fire earlier. Look at that.
There's no fire.
Yeah, no more fire, but that one was on fire.
There's no fire.
Yes, no more fire. Yes, exhaust.
He peed in Sam's car today. All in the bag. She took his diaper off and I'm like, Sam's peed. She's like, Yeah, So she pushed her diaper. She's like,
This one in here, Grayson. Yeah, there is the one that it's broken. There's orange car. Dion, hold mommy's hand. This way. Look at this, it's smashed. Yeah, no more wheels. Look at it. Let's see the second place trophy. Let's see the trophy.
Hey, this car right there.
That's a trophy.
That car there.
Oh, don't touch it. That's a car. The one.
It's okay.
Second place? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Second place. That's a trophy.
That car.
Oh, be careful, ha. Be careful.
The car's not broken.
This is not broken. Yes. Be careful.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's a car. Be careful. Be careful.
The white.
You like that? Be careful. Be careful. That's the car in there because they won second place.
What's this?
That's wait. Don't break that. Don't break that, huh? That's eagle. That's eagle. Micah, be nice. Be nice. Second place, demolition. Second place, and here is the trophy. Oh, still going. Still can run. Forklift. Look, Michael. Gonna back him up. See? Wait, there's more, Michael. Look. On the other side, to put in the trailer.
That one in? Put it in.
To put in the trailer, Michael.
Didn't know you could put it in.
Michael, look! Look, the forklift is gonna put the car in the trailer. You see that? Oh, see that? That's a trailer. To go into the trailer. Stay here, Michael! Michael, stay here! Yes, they're gonna put it in there. Stay here. It's dangerous. Look at that. They put it in the trailer. Yes. Alright, they're done.
Okay, do it.
Let's go. Yes, and then we are gonna go home. Come here, hold mommy's bag. Thank you. Yeah, that's 25 in there. Junior. This one, yes. Broken.
Open. Broken truck.
Yes, then we are going. Grayson. Yeah.
Hey, it's fun seeing you again next time.
There's a police car. We are going. Done for the day.
Not gonna go eat.
Yeah, we're not gonna go to the police. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here because there's a truck. Stay here because there's a truck coming by. Stay here. There's a pickup truck. Stay here, Michael. Stay here, Michael. Look at that, Michael. Color green. Ooh.
That's car.
Look at that. The color green and then there's another one. Color green. Okay, let's go.
Oh. Wait.
Bye-bye.
Hey, God,